Hello my tech learners, welcome to Tech Learning Lightspeed episode 1. And today we're going to go over mathematical formulas within Microsoft Excel. And right now we're going to start off small and use two numbers. And then once you get the gist of that, you'll be able to try out more than one number in more than one cell. So let's begin and go to A1 and B1. Remember, these two will represent the numbers that you're going to be adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. And you're going to always leave a reference or an equal cell that will have that particular answer of those two numbers. So let's try this out. So let's go to C1 and type in the equal sign. And now we have activated the selection of cells. So we're going to use A1 and B1 for our two numbers. So let's click on A1, and we're going to, since we're doing the addition formula, let's type in our plus sign. And then since we're having a number, need another number, we're going to click on the B1 cell. So since we did that, let's press enter. Now you see we have 0 since there's no cell, no number within the cell. So let's type in 3. And we're going to put in 3 in B1 as well. And see, we have 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that's one formula you have to put in. And you notice in your formula bar, you have A1 plus B1. So let's try going into the next cell, next row, and try the second row and putting in a subtraction formula. Again, we're going to type in equals. And then we're going to go ahead and select our two cells, A2. And then we're going to put in our subtraction sign or minus sign. Then we're going to type in the dash sign that's on your keyboard. And then let's click on B2. And now, since we finished with our two numbers, we're going to type in enter. And now we're going to put in our numbers. Let's try putting another 3 in. 3 minus 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So let's go ahead and go to this third row. And this time we're going to do a multiplication. So again, type in equals. Now select your cell. Should be much easier now. And then we're going to put in our multiplication sign, which is Shift 8 or the star. So pressing Shift and 8. And then we're going to click on our B3, and press enter. Now we're going to go ahead and put our 3 in, A3, and put in B3, put another 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So let's go ahead and do our last one, division. Let's go ahead and put in our equals and click on A4. And this time we're going to put in /, which is right next to your shift key. And then we're going to click on B4 and press enter. So now we're going to put our 3 in A4 and put our 3 in B4. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I hope you guys were able to see how these formulas work. And you notice we have our formula bar. Every time you click on a reference or our equals cell, you'll see the formula that is represented. A1 plus B1, A2 minus B2. A3 times B3, and A4 divided by B4. So just that simple. And then again, you can use multiple cells to come about with adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing your cells. So again, thank you for watching, and look out for the next episode of Tech Learning Lightspeed.